Kia ora my cousins. So here doing this post for Mario Speaks the brother up Northland hunting and adventures. So yesterday I did a pork leg, wild pork shoulder and a veni leg, and I smashed out the goat because I tried to load a video but it didn't. I didn't. I got two mullet here. Two hen and the roe are fat. Actually the roe are so fat that they burst. I've already scaled them. But look at that. Look at the roe on them. They're bigger than sausages. Sausages. Now I know you probably was going to type back smoke them for the roe. I'm going to ask, what do you fellas reckon is the best way to do those roe? I usually fry them like sausages. You see this? Where we set our mullet neck, it's in a lake, and it's close to the sea. So we know the hecatuna is going to be a good one, because this is what happens to your mullet if you leave them in the net. You leave them in the net for hour or two, about 5-6 o'clock in the evening. The eels will smash them or eat them out. Very, very common. You come to your net in the morning, there's hardly even a rib cage in there. It's just the backbone, like a little piece of backbone. Look how big that fish is. I can measure it for you, but I'd say it's about 60-70 centimeters. Yeah. So I wasn't gonna let the eels get totally warm. I was just gonna chuck that with onions, pepper, salt, potatoes, and have a fish head with that one. There's just the body in there. But these ones here, I actually want to smoke them. And they've been like this in the fridge for a day. Oh, yeah. So I want to open these fillets up. I usually leave them attached to the frame, but for these ones I'm going to open up and take right off the tail, take it right off the bone, like that. I'm going to smoke them like that. I'm going to chuck this head and the frame, the tail backbone in the pot with their fish head. It's all good kai. It's all good kai. So yeah, we just slowly work our way through it. It's another one there. It's another fish fillet there. and that's the frame or the backbone. So we'll just crunch through that. Punch through that. Punch through that and section them up. Like I said, while I was on the meat, just use that heel to get through. Now, if you're lucky enough and fortunate enough, you can get some mutton bags or mezzanine cloth, and I don't think there's a better dishcloth, bench cloth that's in the market than a mutton cloth. You can't beat it. There's nothing, not the, no, don't even know some of those brand names, but Chucks, I think they are, Chucks multi-cloths, nothing. They have got nothing on a mutton cloth, none of them. Yeah, that's after, say, the last time I used a mutton cloth as a bench cloth, I would have been a kid doing the dishes in our family home for mum and dad and the brother and sisters. Up until now, I've only ever used market shop bought dishcloths, and none of them are as good as a cut up piece of mutton cloth. Tell you right now, that is the absolute truth. So we just work these fillets off. For you buyers out there and you want to know where you buy mutton cloth, the thing you're looking for in the marketplace, I believe it's called a mezzanine cloth. And that's what you're looking for to buy in the supermarket. You go in there and you ask the hauler, "Oh, where's the mutton cloth?" They'll look at you like, "What? I don't know what you're talking about." You go in there and you ask them for mezzanine cloth, and they'll go, "Oh, fine." So you just cut those fish brains up. Like I said before, you don't need nothing much to go with your fish heads, the fish bones, fish frames, salt, pepper, onion, potato. But there's that old secret, every time you eat fish, especially with your young children, always have a dry bread, loaf of dry bread on the table. Because the best thing you can do, if you get a bone stuck in your throat, is chomp down on a dry bread, chew on it and swallow it, and it'll take the bone down into your stomach. Try and cough that up and cause you problems. So there it is, folks. 10 minutes into the post. Sorry if it's too long for you. A lot of my posts are longer than this, but yeah. I like Kimi Kai, gathering Kai. I like hunting my Kai. I like butchering my Kai. Food, that is. And yeah, it's just awesome to be able to say you can do all of that. Now I know Mario, bro, Speedster, is going to be saying, oh bro, can you show them how you put the brown sugar and stuff on there? And it's another 10-15 minutes because I need to go into the smoker tonight. So while it's raining down here in Gisborne, while the grass is wet, and there'll still be a fire ban, but under the cover of night I'll be sparking up the barbecue, the smoker. And one day I'll show you the old barbie smoker, because it's a multi-kai cooker done, especially designed by myself. And yeah, hope you enjoy the post. Tihei Maurora.